Hello, I am your host Crypto Bull Wilson, and today I want to talk about Polygon. Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, is a blockchain scaling solution that seeks to address the limitations of the Ethereum network, particularly its low transaction throughput and high fees. It provides a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, enabling faster and cheaper transactions while benefiting from Ethereum's security and decentralization. Launched in 2017, Polygon initially focused on creating a Layer 2 scaling solution using plasma technology. Over time, it expanded its vision to become a more comprehensive platform for blockchain scaling and interoperability. Polygon rebranded its token from Matic to POL as part of a broader upgrade to its ecosystem. The change reflects Polygon's evolution from a single Layer 2 scaling solution into a multi-chain ecosystem designed to support a variety of scaling technologies and applications. The name Matic no longer represented the expanded scope and vision of the Polygon ecosystem. POL, short for Polygon, unifies the token name with the ecosystem's branding. Matic holders can migrate their tokens to POL through a straightforward process. Both tokens may temporarily coexist, but POL will become the primary token in the ecosystem. POL retains all functionalities of Matic while adding new features, ensuring that existing projects and users experience a seamless transition. Polygon operates as a Layer 2 solution for Ethereum, meaning it doesn't alter the Ethereum main chain but builds atop it. It uses sidechains and roll-up technology to offload computation and storage tasks, significantly increasing transaction speed and reducing costs. The Polygon SDK is a modular framework that developers use to create customized blockchain solutions. It supports a wide variety of scaling technologies, including optimistic rollups, ZK rollups, and standalone sidechains, allowing for tailored solutions for different use cases. One of Polygon's key advantages is its ability to handle thousands of transactions per second compared to Ethereum. This scalability makes it ideal for applications requiring high throughput, such as gaming and decentralized finance. Polygon connects Ethereum-based projects and other blockchains seamlessly. Through its interoperability protocols, it allows assets and data to move fluidly across different chains, fostering a connected blockchain ecosystem. Polygon leverages Ethereum's robust security features. By anchoring sidechain data to the Ethereum main chain through periodic checkpoints, it ensures that sidechains are secure while maintaining high performance. With dramatically lower gas fees compared to Ethereum, Polygon has become a go-to choice for users looking for affordable blockchain interactions. This is particularly beneficial for microtransactions, where high fees on Ethereum would be prohibitive. Polygon serves as a fertile ground for developers to build decentralized applications. Many popular Ethereum decentralized applications, such as Aave and Uniswap, have deployed versions on Polygon to capitalize on its speed and low costs. The platform is widely used in gaming and NFT projects due to its ability to process transactions quickly and cheaply. Games like The Sandbox and marketplaces like OpenSea have integrated Polygon to enhance user experiences. Polygon provides bridges that allow assets to move between Ethereum and Polygon with minimal friction. These bridges make it easier for users to interact with applications across multiple blockchains. By acting as an Ethereum scaling solution, Polygon helps alleviate congestion on Ethereum's main chain, making it more accessible and efficient for users worldwide. After the rebranding of Polygon's token from Matic to POL, the token burning mechanism continues to play a central role in Polygon's ecosystem, although with updates aligned with the broader Polygon 2.0 vision. Polygon retained its fee burning mechanism originally modeled after Ethereum's EIP 1559. When users interact with applications on Polygon's chains, they pay a transaction fee, which is split into two components, the base fee and the priority fee. The base fee is dynamically adjusted based on network demand and is burned to permanently reduce the circulating supply of POL. With the priority fee, users can include an optional tip to incentivize validators to prioritize their transactions. This fee is not burned, it is distributed to validators. Under Polygon 2.0, POL tokens are used across multiple Polygon chains, including various rollups and supernets. Transaction fees collected on these chains are aggregated and burned, creating a unified deflationary pressure for the POL token across the entire ecosystem. Individual chains in the Polygon ecosystem periodically checkpoint their state to Ethereum, similar to the previous Matic model. Fees accumulated from these chains are sent to Ethereum, where the base fee portion is burned through a smart contract, ensuring transparency and alignment with Ethereum's security model. Burning POL reduces its circulating supply, introducing deflationary pressure over time as network usage grows. The burning mechanism balances the issuance of new POL for validator rewards, ensuring the ecosystem remains sustainable without unchecked inflation. POL holders, through Polygon's decentralized governance system, can influence how burning mechanisms operate, including potential adjustments to the base fee structure or other economic parameters. This ensures that the burning model adapts to the ecosystem's growth and changing needs. As more chains and applications join Polygon, the burning of POL scales with usage, incentivizing the development of a high-volume ecosystem. This ensures that the burning model adapts to the ecosystem's growth and changing needs. As more chains and applications join Polygon, the burning of POL scales with usage, incentivizing the development of a high-volume ecosystem. By reducing the total supply of POL over time, burning ties the token's value to network activity and adoption, benefiting long-term holders. These are all the reasons why I'm bullish on Polygon. Something big is about to happen in the crypto world, but you must be patient. Like I always say, the best time to start accumulating crypto is now. Not financial advice. If you found this information useful, please like and share this video to whoever it may help. Again, I'm Crypto Bull Wilson, so get ready to run.